Love TV Special Coverage.
Ato dahil pasalamatan ang atong kagawad, si kagawad Marilopil. Labi na gyud ang Tibok Council na nagpahigayon gani kay gisubmit ni kagawad kwan kining bill kay sa una nga wala si kagawad bill wa kay mga kining motocross o pastak. Karon nga nabalik na siya, atong suportahan. Suportahan nato ni siya kay sa sulod pohon kadto ng mga lupad-lupad kini karon pakusganay lang ni abilidad lang muna nga kini ginagmay gamay ra gyud among na budget kay dili pa gud may kuan kaayo kay daghan ang atong activities nya sa pohon kung kami lang gyapon basin o amo na gyud pa rin kamutan kini wag pasalamat pud tanaw nga kining area abi na kog ni sa una dili ni sa Muslim cemetery unya kay sa Muslim cemetery ni mao na nananggit si kagawad sa kuan ko okay ra basta gamito nato sa atong katawan gani salamat pod no sa mga dayo na taga Sulok taga saning taga naboy ni taga Jazz Sulok Pagunoy Matanaw Gagot daghan gyud ang Aplaya na apoy Aplaya ayo pabitin Aplaya kuan gyud so ato nang sugdan unya pan lang yan gamay kaning pag-amping amping kay basin pod pono din mo natong tagna amping lang yun kung ampo ta sa Ginoo nga walay mahitabo may adatan diri sa ato karon salamat o may hapon.
Sound, break it down, thinking of making a new sound, playing a different show every night in front of a new crowd. That's you now. Child seems to love his prey now. See me lose focus as I sing to you loud. I can't, no, I won't hush. I say the words that make you blush. I'm gonna sing this now. See, I'm true, my songs are where my heart is. I'm like blue, I stick to other artists. I'm not you, now that'll be disastrous. Let me sing and do my thing and with the green and past it. See, I'm real, I do it all, it's all me. I'm not fake, don't ever call me lazy. I won't stay put, give it a chance to be free. Suffix sadly seems to sort of suffocate. You need me, man, I don't need you. 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 But so you need me. I sing, I write my own tune and I write my own verse out. Don't need another wordsmith to make my tune sell. Call yourself a singer-writer, you're just bluffing. Names on the credits and you didn't write nothing. I sing fast, I know that all my shit's cool. I will blast and I didn't go to Brit school. I came fast with the way I act right. I can't last if I'm smoking on a crack pipe. And I won't be a product of my genre. My mind will always be stronger than my songs are. Never believe the bullshit that fake eyes feed you. Always read the stories that you hear on Wikipedia. I'm musically, I'm demonstrating. When about form loud feels like I am meditating. Times at the Enterprise when some fella filmed me. Young single riser like a Gabriella chill me. You need me, man, I don't need you. 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 But so you need me. And all I want in this cover is to make music and use it, not to abuse it and get infected with the who's who of music. Who did it, who is it, who's in it, who, what the hell does it matter? Jidda jada, don't matter. What the yada yada, don't matter to me. All I want is a bit of dignity in me to battle this industry freely, to be me in the city, needy work and you hear me. So I keep singing that one up the start. I just rapping shit off the pressure from haters. Became a baby with sailors and just developed a hater radar. I'm able to start, come on, grind in the dark. Then a tape with the remedy, kick around to the melody. Hennessy shots and all these fools on the block. He said you got to be a gangster now to raise the top. Just a normal, casual, usual, everyday type of guy, man. Ready to die. Ed Sheeran, the Lone Star, coming at you freestyling with the guitar. Cause I've forgotten the lyrics of this bit right here, so I'll freestyle off the top of the bit with the beat, yeah. We met it in the club, bottle full of bug. Mommy, I got the ex again and they're taking drugs. And they're having sex and they're making love. Come give me a hug, been digging rough. Mommy in the club, look mommy, I got the ex again and they're taking drugs. And they're having sex and they're making love. Come give me a hug, been digging rough. I've been burning, I've been burning. My eyes are red. I've been burning, I've been burning. My eyes are red. I've been burning, I've been burning on a spliff of your eye grade. My eyes are red. I've been burning, I've been burning, burning. Now where I come from, burning weed, it is a habit. A big fat bag of high grade weed, you know I got to have it. Cause if I don't have it in my pockets, I go to panic. Cause like I say, what I come from with smoking is a habit. Yeah, root down, fan up, I raised up in the hood. One of the things I haven't ever like a ghetto man should. Things are smoking weed, yes, it makes me feel good. But I go since I mean it, yes, it makes me feel. But me is a man, I tell me since I mean it is a joke. And if I start to smoke it, I'm gonna turn into a dog. Where come from that little, it could only get you more. Where come from burning weed, it is a blessing from above. Where come from Missy Bonnet, when we listen, roll a dog. Where come from Missy Bonnet, after us to make love. Welcome to Missy Bonnet when the sun starts shine. I blaze high-grade weed all the time. Now my eyes are red. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, my eyes are red. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, my eyes are red. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, my eyes are red. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. Okay, so this is the breakdown bit where we get a little bit funky. And I forget about the whole week, you forget about the whole week, the whole weekend, just forget about everything. Because it's Sunday, and we're all gonna get drunk afterwards and have a very, very good time. And I'm not stressed anymore, we're just letting it unwind. I wanna split the room in the middle here. Who's up for that? Not literally, you have to literally buy it. It's good. All good. Peace and love and harmony. What was I gonna say? This side, up there, are you with me? This side, up there, are you with me? Everyone scream as loud as you can. Okay. So we found out that everybody's voices work. This side, I'm not going to insult you, but you are West Ham, okay? You're West Ham, yeah? You're West Ham Football Club, getting the geezer mode, yeah? This side, you're Millwall, yeah? You two hate each other. You two are going to beat each other at whatever you do, no matter what. So, if I give you something to sing, you have to sing louder than them. If I give you something to sing, you have to sing louder than them. Are you all up for that? Millwall, are you ready? West Ham, are you ready? Okay, West Ham, you sing this. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. Millwall, you sing this. My eyes are red. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, my eyes are red. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, my eyes are red. You need me, man, I don't need you. Millwall are winning, I think. My eyes are red. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man. 1, 2. I seem to find myself talking to the powers that be, awake in the shade and shadowed under towering trees, admiring the scene, inhaling fumes of flowers that breathe. Jet lag dies, I'm begging for an hour to sleep. Although my bloodshot whites and irises, they never find any. Clocks up at times when this sunshine can blind many. Although my eyes are heavy, they won't be closing soon. So I heard that time waits for nobody, I suppose it's true. We make corrosive tunes, we acetabs and vocal booths to see the flashing lights of photo shoots. We make a motive moon. I said whatever I feel to vent a rhyme, so I can still invent the lines and stay close to the friends of mine. Cause real recognise real is what my father says, and I'll be sticking to this phrase until I pass away. Cause overwork and no sleep is just another way to die slow, but I'll just keep on going so I never let my eyes close. You need me, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man. I've got my friend, very good friend, Random Impulse. He's gonna come up and he's gonna spit a few bars on the beat. Everyone give it up for Random Info.
Yo! In this game I am my own damn man. No restriction, pulls a boundaries, bound in the heat. Hungry in my circle, always trying to eat. Crossing circles, counting thousands at 1,000 feet. Counting sheep, any side of the sea. Some up from the deep, now I'm built to sink my boat. You need 1,000 fleet. Walking enemy and stomping like 1,000 feet. Talking cheap so I can cheat until my words are free. Now that I'm out, man, I ain't playing like I hurt my knee. It's common courtesy, I left you for a minute. Now I'm back and back in punches like I put my buttons, energy in every course. Lunch ain't forgotten, yeah, let's play guitar as well as master. You ain't rocking with beginners. Sorry, time's ticking, I can't mess about the promise. National lottery business, only winners. I'm an armist, man, I'm nothing like the pointers. Show you how it is, I can't really do nothing for you unless you got something to give, man.
Cause you need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, my eyes are red. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, my eyes are red. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, my eyes are red. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me. I keep my last name forever, keep the genre pretty basic. Gotta be breaking into other people's tunes when I chase it and replace it with the elephant in the room. With a face of stepping into another rapper's shoes, using new laces. I'm selling CDs from my rucksack, aiming for the papers. Selling CDs from my rucksack, aiming for the majors. Nationwide till we just track, I still I get the bus back. Clean cut kid without a razor for the mustache. I hit back when the pen hurts me. I'm still a choir boy in a fen church tea. I'm still the same as a year ago, but will people hear me though? According to the MySpace and YouTube videos, always seeing shows if I'm not, I'm in the studio. Shooting bro, never going out. Call me Rufio, melody music maker, reading all the papers. They say I'm up and coming like I'm fucking in an elevator. Later, thank you. Thank you so much. See you soon.
Love TV special coverage.